guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this, even though it's already almost done. Sorry. Okay, yeah. I thought I was recording last video, but turned out to be not recording. And
Baby, I can't get these apart.
You can't? Not even these ones? These ones might be a little looser. Okay. And
I need to find something with thin.
tweezers.
Yeah.
Mr. Tweezers.
I'll find you some tweezers or something. I can't get them, honey.
Can you get me some tweezers? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, yeah. I just need that part.
What about, hey, when we backtrack to
Tweezers don't work. Because they're stupid. Because I like turtles. Do you know that meme? It's very funny. Okay. If you have this from the last video, I didn't show you what you're supposed to do all the way. But you're supposed to take these pieces, put it under here. This is actually a homemade invented bird, so it might not look very well. I invented the bird. Yes, I'm sorry if it doesn't turn out wrong. That was a little weird. Okay. I promise. I promise. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, are you guys ready for some more building? Comment down below if you want more inventions. Not really inventions, but close enough. Next one is going to be a transforming dinosaur. If I can actually find the right parts for this one, maybe I'll get it done within 6 minutes. I need some French toast made of wood. Silent but deadly. Psych. I haven't done it once in my 6 videos. I think this is like one. Wow. I know. Not that cool. Is there anything in my Tooth Fairy box? No. You guys, if you haven't got one of those Ninja Beyblade spinners, they're very cool. They can roll like this. They can spin.